And this, now I'm going to tell you, if you have one jinn inside of you, one jinn that's making the devil signs, just one jinn, doing the star signs, one jinn, laughing, one jinn, dancing, one jinn, doing handstands, one jinn, climbing the wall, just one jinn can make you react to everything. Sihr, ayn, unlustful jinn, just one jinn. So now do you know how serious it is? It's a serious matter. It's not a matter you want to take lightly. They cause mental health. They cause physical health. They cause all different type of illnesses. It is a serious matter. So, how do you get rid of them, you might ask? Abu Nadeer, come on, give us, what's your experience? Tell us. Well, as long as they can't use your body and they can't utilize you, they'll have to go somewhere else. One of them is don't be envious. Don't be jealous. Don't be a jealous person. Have strong, first, obviously, have tawakkul, have tawheed, remember Allah Azza wa Jal. But what if you do that? So, you'll be saying, Abu Nadeer, we're already doing this. Okay, but don't stop doing it. The other thing is that other stuff that I've noticed, jinns like to possess people to give the evil eye to others. Okay? They like to possess you to harm others. So evil eye is one of the way. The other way is backbiting. Any way you harming others. And the worst one is to do what? Harm the religion. Speaking bad about religion. About Islam. And you might think, no, I don't talk bad about religion. Oh, you might do, you might not even realize it. When you talk about brothers that are practicing and that represent Islam, you're attacking Islam. If you're talking about sisters that wear hijab from head to toe, you're attacking Islam. You might not think of that. You might be thinking, no, I'm not. I'm talking about her. No, you're talking about the deen. So be careful, because the jinns will use you, the shayateen will use you for this. I hope that made sense. And once you stop doing that, alhamdulillah, you move on to the next level. And the next level, and the next level. And you start working yourself until you're free from these shayateen. And Allah knows best.